Question 1. Only 3 chairs in my room. The right answer is, there are. There are only 3 chairs in my room. Question 2. Your car? It's in the garage. The right answer is, where is? Where is your car? It's in the garage. Question 3. Bag is this? It's mine. The right answer is, whose? Whose bag is this? It's mine. Question 4. She a house in the town center. The right answer is, has got. She has got a house in the town center. Question 5. There are not people here today. The right answer is, many. There are not many people here today. Question 6. Do you speak English? No, I. The right answer is, don't. Do you speak English? No, I don't. Question 7. I go school in Vienna. The right answer is, 2. I go to school in Vienna. Question 8. We have lunch 1 o'clock. The right answer is, at. We have lunch at 1 o'clock. Question 9. Do you like? Yes, I do. The right answer is, shopping. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. Question 10. He, in an office. The right answer is, works. He works in an office.